You can't stay in your corner of the forest waiting for others to come to you. You have to go to them sometimes. Weeds are flowers, too, once you get to know them. I think we dream so we don't have to be apart for so long. If we're in each other's dreams, we can be together all the time. I knew when I met you an adventure was going to happen. Sometimes, said Pooh, the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. How do you spell love? Piglet, you don't spell it, you feel it. Pooh, promise me you'll never forget me, because if I thought you would, I'd never leave. People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Rivers know this. There is no hurry. We shall get there someday. One of the advantages of being disorganized is that one is always having surprising discoveries. If the person you are talking to doesn't appear to be listening, be patient. It may simply be that he has a small piece of fluff in his ear. Sometimes, if you stand on the bottom rail of a bridge and lean over to watch the river slipping slowly away beneath you, you will suddenly know everything there is to be known. When you see someone putting on his big boots, you can be pretty sure that an adventure is going to happen. Don't underestimate the value of doing nothing, of just going along, listening to all the things you can hear, and not bothering.